Hi, friends! This week we are going to be learning about farms. I bet you know this poem. It goes to the tune Old McDonald had a farm. Listen as I read and sing to you. You will join me the second time around. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. What other animals might old MacDonald have on his farm? Let's begin again, and this time you sing with me, and let's add some more animals on at the end. Here we go.